Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to whip up a delicious chickpea and quinoa tabbouleh. This recipe is perfect for home cooks who want something quick, easy, and super tasty. So let's get started. Alright, first things first. Here's what you'll need. 3/4 cup of uncooked quinoa. I'll be using about 130 grams. Then grab a can of chickpeas, 14 ounces or 400 grams. Make sure they're drained. You'll also need 2 medium tomatoes, diced. 1 small cucumber, diced as well. A cup of chopped parsley, that's about 60 grams. And for the dressing, we'll use 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Don't forget the salt and pepper to taste. Now let's get cooking. First, cook the quinoa according to the instructions on the packaging. It usually takes about 12 minutes. Once it's cooked, drain it well and set it aside to cool. While the quinoa's cooling, let's prep the veggies. Dice up those tomatoes and the cucumber. Make sure the pieces are bite-sized. And chop up the parsley. This will add a fresh burst of flavor. Now, in a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, chickpeas, diced tomatoes, cucumber, and parsley. It's already looking colorful and vibrant. Next, let's whip up the dressing. Pour in the 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Give it a good mix and then pour it over the salad. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything together until well combined. And there you have it. Chickpea and quinoa tabbouleh. Now pop it in the refrigerator to chill. This salad is best served cold and it'll keep in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 or 3 days. This recipe serves 4 and is packed with nutritious ingredients. Each serving has about 334 calories, 14 grams of fats, 43 grams of carbs, and 11 grams of protein. Plus, it's gluten-free. I hope y'all enjoyed this easy and delicious recipe. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how your tabbouleh turned out. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Bye y'all!